Uniform 1, Hotel Juliet Foxtrot 59 November Sierra.
Okay, 59005.
Just already American 9, Papa.
Радио двойка, Дмитрий, Игорь Анна.
R2 Дмитрий, Игорь Анна, 59 Николай.
Страшное ураганище. Наверное, метров 30 в секунду. Ужасно, что делается. Это сороковка. Восьмидесятку уже сломала. Один элемент. Какая витрина. We finally find the time to leave down 52 meters tower for restoration antenna after a strong storm. In order to straighten bent elements, I built the mechanism for straightening aluminum pipes. For very gently straightening aluminum pipes. Unfortunately, I cannot show you full size of this antenna, that because it's a huge one. Each of elements are 40 meters length, and the tower almost 52 meters tall. So that's the parts of the tower. And well, so just I climbed up there and fixed all of the rail guys, to which I stretched all of these elements. It's a little bit bented, but anyway, when I will crane it up until 50 meters, everything will be looks pretty nice. So big. Here is my assistant. Yeah, he doesn't speak in English, but he has his own language.
Yeah.
Say something. Скажи чего-нибудь.
Salam
Салам алейкум, say.
Salam alaikum. Is Uzbekistan.
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 Well, it's a very big. Further to this lake, we can see some rain is going on there. So well, this is 3 elements for 80 meters bend. Yeah, I'm trying to show full size, but it's useless. It's a huge, and I cannot catch a whole picture. Today is lovely weather, and Alexei is here. He is helped me very much today. So look, the weather is excellent. Looks pretty nice. So my ship is coming. We have this ship which is carrying some tourists. It's arrived, and they had a tour around the lake. Well, and just they coming in, they will park here, just very near of my antennas. So we just ready to put it up, I mean this antenna, but only have a problem with switchers, which is switching in between of three part of the bands. For CW it's a 300 and 350 and 360, and the other band is 380. Well, so just this switcher we need to check. So just I will open it. So this is the switcher. This is relay and some capacitors. So one capacitor, it seems like broken. I need to check it up. So we will see. And the ship is arrived. In the meantime, we have repaired the antenna and are starting to raise up the tower. It all seems too easy to do. Each section is 2 meters 40 centimeters long, and each side of 40 centimeters, weight about 100 kilograms. It's pretty heavy.
Ci diceva. No, dai. Sì.
After we put each section to the base, we secure it with 4 bolts. такого. Не. Давай. А он не умеет.
Öğret, çıkmayı.
Опусти. Так, Слав, подтяни вот этот. Вот за этот. Только не рывком, а так, постепенно. Подтяни. Да, еще. Не рывком, только тянуть. Тянуть к себе просто. Стоп. Вот так, да. Slowly and not so hurry, very tidy, and step by step. It take us approximately 4 hours. We lift it up, and very successfully. We were so happy. But at the night time, that was a very tough experience for this antenna, that because it was so heavy storm and thunderstorm was so large. In the morning, everyone was so happy to see clean and surviving antenna.